My name is Vaishali Mutalik. I'm a founder director of Shieldwide InfoSec. My company is into the interested into the solving major challenges by building a human firewall. What I mean by human firewall? Human are the key elements into the cybersecurity. Whatever tools you implement today are definitely going to have a lot of challenges. Tool definitely play a vital role in terms of cybersecurity, but the human element is something you cannot ignore upon. Now, while we do this activity, by building a shieldfish, we are building a human firewall, we vision to educate the people to understand the cyber threats, test their capabilities, and ensure that they are compliant with the cyber resilience. So this is what the mission we are into. In addition to that, we are also looking into the another aspect of cyber challenges, wherein a lot of companies are currently deploying or engaging on vendors. It can be any industry or any kind of type and size of the company. When you engage any vendors, the critical data gets shared with the global vendors, and the data security is compromised. Will have a challenges in terms of data loss or a privacy of information. By building a shielders into this entire domain, we are bringing the vendor resiliency or vendor security or controls through introducing a shielders, a TPRM platform with an innovative AI integration process to identify the risk and report it to the key stakeholders, ensuring the abiding with the government policies of an secured environment of an SBOM. I would say the cybersecurity expo was an amazing thing. We always have seen a lot of global countries in the world are having a cybersec expos, but India never had a kind of very dedicated cybersec expo. And this expo has really bring in a lot of solution providers or the innovative technologies under one roof, where we are able to showcase our capabilities and serve the industry and the Indian community or Indian companies.